Hi everybody, this is Osprey Eye with mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol SGNL. This is a daily chart. Each candlestick represents 1 day of trading. As you can see here, SGNL formed a very ugly candle today. The day started off promising with a move above EMA's 4 and 8 and the middle Bollinger Band, which is this dotted purple line here. The share price ran up to the upper Bollinger Band at 127, hit resistance. Let's see, the high of the day was 124 and pulled back and ended up pulling back all the way below where it opened and near the low of the day. So it was a very bearish close and move after such a promising start to the day. Um, Going forward, the key level is the middle Bollinger Band. This level is the uptrend downtrend line, and in order for SGNL to start a new uptrend, it needs to turn the middle Bollinger Band into support. So what bulls want to see is they want to see EMA4 at 96, bullish cross EMA8 at 97. That is the pink line crossing the green line to the upside. That would be an early reversal signal. And then they want to see candles forming above this dotted line. As you can see back here in August, there were a couple of closes above the middle Bollinger Band. Here in August, there were two of them, a couple of them failed to turn that level into support and pulled back. Same thing happened in September. Failed to turn the middle Bollinger Band into support and pulled back. And then you come back over here at the end of the month in September. Once again, there was this promising move. You've got this ugly black candle, and then boom, what followed? Multiple red candles way down here. Um, Once again, a black candle formed. This happens when the share price closes below its open. So as you can see, SGNL has a history here of forming black candles after runs and then pulling back. So the question is here, this did pull back intraday. Can SGNL follow through with another green candle? Because the past history over the last 3 months has shown that it has been unable to get an uptrend going. One thing that looks promising down here at volume, there's been very light volume, and you've got a spike here today. This was the largest volume in since here in September, as you can see here. Big volume compared to the small average volume here. If you look down here at MACD, there was a bullish crossover here on the 12th, or actually that would make it on the 9th. There was a bullish crossover, and so you can see MACD has been on this little uptrend here, and this is playing out as this double bottom was created. So that's actually a nice setup. The double bottom is a nice setup. If you go up here to Fasto, you'll see that there was a bearish crossover a couple days ago here, and then now there was a bearish crossover here on Monday, and then you've got this hooking down now, and so it's trying to find support. What bulls want to see is they want to see this Fasto get above the 50 line. This line is the between here, the 50 and the 80. This is what we call the bull zone. You want to see Fasto cruising in the bull zone while the share price is heading higher. As you can see, this has been resistance. Look how many times it's hit 50 and pulled back. I mean, each time you get a rally going, bam, hits 50, pulls back, bam, bam. You know, broke 50 here, but pulled back, wasn't unable to hold it. So you will know that SGNL is holding up when Fasto is holding up above 50. Now you can look over here at RSI, the relative strength indicator. Once this is 50 to 70 equals the bull zone on this indicator. So from here to here is where you would what we call quote unquote the bull zone. As you can see, multiple times. Rally going back here in August, hits 50, pulls back, hits 50, pulls back multiple times, hits 50, pulls back. So what bulls want to look out for is for RSI closing above 50 and then maintaining above that level. That would be an indicator that strength is building and would be a bullish development. So right now you've got SGNL in a nasty downtrend, right? So it's trending down, and you want to see the share price break above this middle Bollinger Band and then come up and possibly hit up here around 130. You see how this used to be support? Share price broke down. This is now resistance. It's not a coincidence that the share price pulled back after hitting this level this morning. You always have to look at past history to find future resistance. So here you go. This is SGNL. Um, once again, promising day. Started out, but then it was a big letdown. What we'll be looking for tomorrow is a close above the middle Bollinger Band. A close above that level signals potential upside. And what we want to look for next, if you're a bull, is for the middle Bollinger Band to turn into support and a new uptrend to begin. Thanks for viewing this chart, and I look forward to sharing many more charts with you in the future.